So here's something really cool I'm excited to share with you guys. It is 10 fully functional Carbonite panel one display boards. I've built the full panels. I've got 6 of these lit up right now. These ones are just like, I don't have enough plugs to get these working. But this is from Custom 3D Stuff, where you probably got lots of all your other parts. The board looks like this. So I will be launching pre-orders for this. And this is the electronics kit and just like pops in place. Or what is something super unique that I haven't offered before is like fully finished panels. So these 10 will be for sale next week. So make sure you're signed up on the mailing list, or, comment on this post and I'll let you know when they launch, which will be next week. And you'll be able to order one of these 10, of the first 10. And then after that, I'll have the boards for sale. And the boards are like really easy to install. They just pop into your panel. So they're like this. And it just like pops in there. I put a bead of hot glue just to keep it in place. But that's how it goes. And I'll let you see. So like the back here, we have the plug to go to panel 2. So that's what these boards are. So that looks like this. So it's like I got a cable that let you connect to panel 2. And then if you're gonna run an LED strip, like if you're installing your own like glow sequence, if you've got a transparent Han and you want like a thaw sequence, that's what these are for. And then these here will go across to panel 5 if you're gonna have a blinking green light on panel 5 and you wanna control it from here. That's what that port's for. The knobs connect here, and the big green LED and the little one that's here and here connect to these. So I made this quick prototype diffuser, but it works really well, just spreading out the light. And then you'll be able to change the sequence here. And then I've got the little button that comes out of the side. So there's the switch here, which I don't have the greebly glued on in place yet, but that's what this like right angle button is right there. So yeah, I'm super hyped to be able to get these going, get these out. Let me know if you are interested in getting one of the first 10. Those will ship in a week or so, and then the rest of the boards are coming out shortly behind them. So these are at custom3dstuff.com. I put a bunch of little Easter eggs and things on here. I'll do a full feature review shortly once all the code is complete. So that's the last step. I've got all the sequences laid out, and I've got the prototype code running. So right now we're just kind of doing a random sequence. But I went frame by frame through the different scenes, and I've like recorded each little blink. So we'll have all the sequences lined up. And you'll be able to change those both through a knob, and there's a Wi-Fi module that I'm using that's here. So where I'm going to install my Han will be like up on the wall, and I won't be able to reach my knobs. So I thought it'd be neat to be able to control it over Wi-Fi. So I have a little app that you connect to and connect it to your Wi-Fi, and then you can change the sequences from that. And that's why I've chosen this board, because it's got the easy Wi-Fi module. But I am, super excited to get these out into the hands of all y'all. Thanks.